In this corner, we have the industrious honey bee, known for its remarkable honey production and essential role in pollination. And in the opposite corner, we have the formidable hornet, with its powerful stinger and fierce nature. Join us as we dive into the differences between these fascinating creatures. But wait, before we dive headlong into their world, let's kick things off with a curveball. Welcome to Point Zero, the taxonomic twist. You might think these airborne champions are twins separated at birth, but nuh-uh. Bees dance their way from the Apidae family, sharing the Hymenoptera order with the likes of ants and other wasps. Hornets? They're a special breed of wasp from the Vespidae family, also rubbing elbows with the Hymenoptera club, kind of like distant cousins in a big buzzing family reunion. Now, onto point one, body size and color. While they are both renowned for their distinctive yellow and black bands, a closer look reveals our first differences. Hornets are generally larger, reaching lengths of up to 2 inches, while bees measure about half that. And if you look closely, you'll see bees sport a more hairy and robust body compared to the sleek, smooth bodies of hornets. Next up, number 2, the lifestyle. Bees are the hard workers, spending their days collecting nectar and pollen, crucial for their honey-making and pollination tasks. Hornets, however, are predatory, hunting other insects and even honeybees to feed their larvae. Point number 3, the colony structure. Bees live in complex, highly organized colonies, each member performing a specific role. The queen bee, the workers, the drones. It's all a well-oiled machine. Hornets, they have queens and workers too, but the structure is a tad less organized. Point number 4, defense mechanisms. When threatened, a bee stings once and unfortunately dies, leaving the stinger and venom sac behind. A hornet, on the other hand, is a fearsome adversary, capable of delivering multiple stings without meeting its end. Finally, number 5, impact on the ecosystem. Bees are critically important pollinators, helping plants to reproduce. Hornets, though perceived as pests, are nature's pest control, keeping the population of other insects in check. Fascinating, isn't it? The world of bees and hornets, so similar at a glance, but vastly different once you dive in. Last but not least, point 6, where in the world? Now let's talk about geography. Bees, being the social buzzers they are, prefer more temperate zones and thrive in environments like gardens, woodlands, and meadows. They're the globetrotters of the insect world, found on every continent except Antarctica. Hornets, on the other hand, have a more restricted guest list. While some species have expanded their range, they're mostly found in tropical Asia, Europe, and North America. They tend to favor forested areas where they can build their nests in peace. It's almost like bees are the city slickers. Happy to mingle? Well, hornets are the countryside residents, enjoying their solitude. What can we say? To each their own. If you thought bee versus hornet was fascinating, you're in for a real treat. Have you ever wondered about the difference between a rat and a mouse? We've got that covered too.